second, okay? What we're showing you is how we take care of Ruby, our cow. And some of you Cedar House kids, y'all come out here many a times. So normally what we do is we come out in the morning and in the evening. And how many scoops of feed do we give her, Henley?
2 scoops.
2 scoops in the morning and 2 scoops at night. You want to show them some of the feed? What we feed them? These are some
feed them these big pellets. They're called,
I don't know. It's milking cow pellets.
Yeah, it's, if you go to the Greenville, if you go up, feed store, ask for, the big pellets for milking cows, and they'll give you these.
That's right, got to pay for it. So anyway, normally anytime we are going to do anything with Ruby, like if we were going to milk her or we were going to go ahead and love on her, rub on her, then we want her feeding. And that's also when I go ahead and put a rope on her so we can take her for a walk. We also come in here and we muck out these stalls so that she's not stepping on her poo or anything like that. But this is a time that we, while she's eating, for us to love on her and let her know that it's safe for her to be around us, because soon
She'll be having our baby.
She's going to have a calf soon. Riley, can you tell them what a heifer is?
A heifer is a cow who has not had a baby before, and so it's their first cow.
That's right, but it's not a male cow. It's a
Female.
It's a female cow that's never had a baby before, and that's what Ruby is. She's 3 years old, and this will be her first calf. And just yesterday, we realized, Henley, tell them what we realized yesterday.
We realized that we could actually milk her, but we're not supposed to milk her yet until she has a baby.
So we want to save that first special milk for her baby. But if you want to go ahead and look at the teats, we're going to show you what these teats are. Henley, you show them.
See, these 4, they have 2 on that side, 1 in the back and 1 in the front, and then they have 4 teats, the 2 front ones and the 2 back ones. The back ones are smaller than the front ones.
That's right, and so soon we'll be milking Ruby, but right now, in the meantime, while she's feeding, loving on her, and every once in a while just reaching down and touching her teeth so she can get used to us milking her later on. We want her to get used to this, and she's doing really, really good, really, really good. And so we also give her fresh hay in the morning and fresh hay in the evening. And we're kind of keeping her close to home because we want to be around when she has her baby. And so we're checking on her daily and see when she's springing. So we're super excited, okay?
And she's been laying it down a lot more.
She has been.
So she'll probably have it in maybe 6, 5, or 4 days.
We've really never had a milking cow before, so we don't really know. We just read a lot online, and we also talk to our pawpaw, who knows a lot about these things.
And also my
Uncle Brazos.
her cousin.
Uncle Brazos. He helped us find Ruby, and we love her, and she's precious. And so we're hoping, I don't know, it could be a week. How about you guys at home, Cedar House kids and all the other kids watching, why don't you draw a sketch of Ruby and guess how many days it'll be before she has her calf. That would be a fun game to play, and we'll see who's right. So today is March 18th. I think I'm right, March 18th. Oh, I've lost a day! It is March 19th. What in the world? So it's March 19th on a Thursday evening. So you guys sketch Ruby the cow, and when she's done eating, you'll get to see her face really well.
And also,
Sketch Ruby the cow, and I want y'all to send me a picture. Y'all can tag the Cedar House, Texas, or y'all can send the picture to Miss Samantha. And at the bottom of it, I want you to guess how many days from March 19th it'll be when Ruby gives birth to her first calf.
let me give you a hint. It'll be from a week and 2 days to a week. In that
We don't
time
really
period.
know. We don't really know.
Probably.
We were told she's due in April, but it seems like signs are pretty quick. But she's done eating, so I'm going to walk her this way so you can see her face. She's just licking the crumbs. She's super hungry. And so we're going to walk her this way. And normally when she's done eating, we take her for a little walk. And so we're not going to take you guys on this whole walk. Can we get the gate for me? Okay.